Hello there. First of all, I have to say I hope my sound doesn't come out too distorted as it is raining here. After weeks of late summer sunshine, we're finally getting much needed rain, but as I have an iron roof, of course, it does amplify the sound. So here's hoping that it doesn't become torrential while I'm doing this video. Today I have decided to try an idea that I saw on another video. The channel is Cosmic Carol Creations, and she did a ring pour as she was spinning her canvas, which I thought was quite interesting. I don't know if it's an original idea of hers or whether she's got it from somewhere else, but I was certainly impressed with it, and I've decided to try it myself. I have already filled a cup with the colours that I want to use for my ring pour, and they are blue, red, yellow and orange and antique white. So it should come out quite colourful. I've already put a black base down and I'm going to pour my colours as I turn the spinner. That was certainly interesting. I had fun with that. I hadn't intended to actually include black as part of the main colours. I was just using it as a base. But as my pouring was a bit erratic, I have got those colours all mixed in together. And of course now I am going to do my wreck a ring, which is what I was going to be doing with this ring pour anyway, and I am going to swipe the colours from the centre out in my star pattern or similar, but to wreck the ring pour. That is gorgeous. I've got quite a few more bubbles coming through, of course, but I'm loving the colours. So far it's looking really good. Well, even though my poor old spinning technique for doing this pour was a bit wonky, I am now going to put my gloves on, remove the canvas from the Lazy Susan underneath and start doing a tilt. that's just beautiful. That is just beautiful. I'm loving it. Oh my goodness me, it's bright, it's vibrant. Okay. Oh, that was an experiment that finally went white. Thank you very much to Carol. Although, as I said, I don't know if it's her original idea, but certainly I saw it on her video. I saw her doing the, using the spinner to do her paw, and I'm definitely going to be doing that again. This is just gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to lift it up now, closer to the camera, so you can have a good look at the colours. Some have blended. There's a tiny little bit of mud, but a lot of them are well defined. They're just gorgeous. So I will just bring that up slightly closer to the camera for you to see, because I find in the light here, in my natural light, it picks it up better than when I actually bring the camera down to the canvas. That is just so pretty. I'm not sure how much of that you can see. I also want you to see the bottom piece here where you've got the smudgy oranges, and the colours going on, just gorgeous. So that is it for me. I am very, very happy with that. Okay, once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.